Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 English vocabulary words that are related to gardening. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is gardening. Second word is plants. Third word is soil. Fourth word is compost. Fifth word is mulch. Sixth word is seeds. Seventh word is seedlings. Eighth word is transplanting. Ninth word is watering. 10th word is fertilizer. 11th word is pruning. 12th word is trimming. 13th word is weeding. 14th word is cultivating. 15th word is harvesting. 16th word is flower bed. 17th word is vegetable garden. 18th word is herb garden. 19th word is perennials. 20th word is annuals. 21st word is bulbs. 22nd word is shrubs. 23rd word is trees. 24th word is climbers. 25th word is trellis. 26th word is garden tools. 27th word is trowel. 28th word is pruning shears. 29th word is shovel. 30th word is rake. 31st word is hoe. 32nd word is wheelbarrow. 33rd word is gardening gloves. 34th word is pots. 35th word is planters. 36th word is raised bed. 37th word is greenhouse. 38th word is sunlight. 39th word is shade. 40th word is irrigation. 41st word is pest control. 42nd word is pollinators. 43rd word is bees. 44th word is butterfly. 45th word is ladybugs. 46th word is organic gardening. 47th word is companion planting. 48th word is garden design. 49th word is edible garden. 50th word is landscaping. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.